Hello, welcome again. Today's exciting project. Okay, so now uh, today I have developed and I'm going to demonstrate AI network watcher project. Okay, this is the project I have developed, and what I'm going to do here, I'll just simply walk you through this project architecture first. So this is my project architecture. Let me just bring it to you. Yeah. So if you see carefully, so what I'm doing, I'm going to analyze the network, okay, and the devices which are connected to the my Wi-Fi device. Okay, so simply let's say we have I have four computers, two laptops, one televisions, and three phone. Okay, so these are the devices which are connected to my current Wi-Fi. Okay, and what I'm doing, so once the analysis is done, okay, I am sending it to for data cleaning and scrapping it, and then going to display with the help of Streamlit on the web application. And and at the same time, the data which is going to be displayed over the dashboard, I'm going to save in the Postgres, that I'll show you. Okay, so and based on the data what we have there in the database, we are going to perform some AI analysis, okay, data analysis, or the period of time. So right now what my data, what my project is doing, it is simply scanning my network, what all the devices are connected, collecting the informations, okay, MAC ID, device type, and the manufacturer details, and yeah, many more. So this particular information is collected first and displayed over the dashboard, and then process and save it into the database. I'm using database Postgres to save my entire data, scanning data. And this is live information, which is I'm doing every 2 minutes. So let me just demonstrate. So let's go to the project. Okay, so these are the folders I have created. Of course, I have put this project on my Git. It is there. You can start explore it. Okay, so I'm going to dashboard. Okay, so this is my dashboard where I have app.py. I'm using Streamlit and the respective libraries. Okay, we will see each and every file in detail, okay, when we go to break down the project. So it's a simple demo right now just to understand it. Okay, so then database, okay, I am using, so these are my databases. Okay, these are my database credentials. However, these are the environment variables that I have set. Okay, and this is my table structure which I am going to create when my project is running. Okay, so this happens only one time. Of course, if the table is not there, it is going to create a table. Okay, it is going to create here with the help of this particular environment variable. uh, so all the so these particular environment variables, the variable values assigned here and inside the .env file, if you could see. Okay, and yes, I am using the Telegram as well to to get the alert. I'll show you in a meantime. So while running the entire program, you will see I'll get an alert as well on my Telegram. Okay, so without delay, let's start.